Yo, it's just Mary back at it again without another motherfucking video. You mean? Drop these bangers back to back to back to back. I should never did that, but so I decided to start YouTube full time. You mean? Before I was just putting out videos here and there when I had the time, but now I feel like it's the time for me to go hard to go home. So I'm going hard to go home. So you mean? Gotta stay safe. Gotta stay safe. Y'all see it though. Hand sanitizer. Rub it together, lather it, smack it around, soak it, and we done. So yeah, decided to start YouTube full time. So I might still be working and everything. Just I mean, I'm just trying to drop videos probably every other day, so like 3 or 4 times a week. And I mean, just so I get my video ideas up and rolling. Yeah, that's really it, man. Shout out to my guy, Famous Nobody. This is like an oversized small hoodie, so I don't know why this looks so big, but yeah, man. That's really what I'm coming home to talk about. This I'm about to start YouTube full time, and not just I have time to upload videos. So I got this Canon G7X, so I'm about to use this Canon G7X. You know what I mean? The day I go pick up my car, I will be using this camera. I'm gonna have a videographer and do a whole big scene about that. You know what I mean? So it's just up from here. My fault. Y'all see me looking up. I'm looking at the lens. I gotta learn how to look right here. That's what I'm be talking about. Like I gotta learn how to look there and just set up there. So what me doing YouTube consists of full time. I mean, what me doing full time consists of more videos, more bangers, more just about me. Like I'm already transparent enough with y'all, so I ain't hiding nothing, I ain't doing nothing. I mean, I told you I'm stacking to get my wheel. I didn't told you what wheel. I told you 3 of them in like a previous video. So next video would be me describing what wheel I want. Like, so me just gonna be more transparent, more videos, more vlogs, just me doing me. As y'all see, I really don't cut scenes like that in videos because I really just like to be transparent, and if I mess up, I'm just gonna start over. And that's really it. We had like 332 subscribers, so I'm on the way to get monetized. So let's just go. We going up from there, man. Going up the rest of 2020 and the rest of life. So let's enjoy it to the fullest. You feel me? Just gonna be showing more of me, showing more of my daughter, just showing me what I do. So just stay tuned for that, because the content will be coming soon. If you haven't already, like the video, comment, subscribe. You mean, follow me on Instagram, and it's just Mir, just like my YouTube name, because it's just me. You feel me? My name Mir. My name is John Mir, but people call me Mir, so it's just Mir. You feel me? So stuff like that. What else? Oh, my whatever car I get is we're getting built. Like it's getting built. Not built, but built. You feel me? Like built, but built. My last car wasn't built; it was put together. But this car is getting built. You'll get it. It's getting tuned. It's getting all that. It's getting the works. Getting, you mean, 10-second daily, 9-second daily, 11-second daily. Probably. That's what I'm pushing for. Probably 11-second daily. Calm 11-second daily. Calm 10-second. Maybe 11 daily if I'm not on the right tire. You feel me? That's what that's gonna consist of. You mean, just spreading positivity. I love giving back to people. You feel me? So I love giving back. I love helping people. I love helping others. I mean, I do a whole lot of behind the scenes stuff that people really don't know about, and I just want y'all to know. I ain't doing this for no fucking clout or nothing like that, bro. Yeah, everybody in my family, the people I hang out with, I'm really not that bold, but like I really love giving back. I love helping people. You know what I mean? So I already told you, once if my YouTube ever blow up, bro, everybody I hang with gonna be eating around me. Like, I'm not gonna be the only one just eating, bro. Everybody gonna be eating. I mean, the people I'm in the group chat with, my guys, they already know who they are. I'm not gonna say new names. They already know who the fuck they are. My family, the ones that come around and support me the most, you already know who y'all are. You mean my daughter, her mom, my mom. You mean my family. Everybody who hang around me, you gonna be eating. So I mean, we going up from here. And I ain't just do YouTube for bread. I'm always just doing goofy shit that people just, always recording. So that's just it. But I ain't mean to make this video too long, man. It's probably not gonna be 10 minutes or nothing. It's just gonna be me explaining. I'm doing YouTube full time now, so you better see more of my family, better see more of everything. So that's just it. You feel me? That's just it. I should get everybody a reaction. Alright, hold up. I'm probably just gonna get my mom and my daughter's mom reaction. Because those people I'll be around the most since I basically live with them. I mean, I'll be bouncing around from crib to crib. So I'm about to, talk. Hold up. This is gonna be my mom, John, real fast. Cause she's at work. So I just asked her, was she busy? If not, FaceTime me. No? 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 Yo, son, did the boy ever text you back about the Catalyst meds? Because he just texted me back like this morning. I forgot to tell you. No? Alright, my mom, I'm crying. Let's give my daughter's mom. Yeah, man. Look, her name Emily.
Hello.
Yo, say what's up to my camera.
Goodbye.
Yo!
What, Jameer? I'm trying to be nosy.
Doing what?
Pause it.
No. I'm about to do YouTube full time, so I need your thoughts.
What is my thought? You don't take it serious because how many times have you told me you're gonna take it serious?
I'm taking it serious now, so I need your thoughts.
You told me this 100 times.
Alright, that's the last time.
Channel. You don't take nothing
Oh my
serious.
goodness. Alright, I'm taking it serious. So what's your thoughts?
I just said my thoughts.
What is your thoughts?
Go ahead, do it full time. I'll be supporting you.
Alright.
I just need to have your check.
Wow. That's crazy. Let's get my sister reaction too. Her name's Jamira. I mean, she not gonna answer the phone. Wow. Answer the phone.
Hello?
Say what's up to my camera.
Hi, camera.
You going to my video now. Yo, so what, you don't call me no more? You don't text me no more? I feel some type of way. But first, answer this question. Hold up. I'm doing YouTube full time, so I need your thoughts.
What's my thoughts on you doing YouTube for full time?
Full time. Not like the little videos I just be posting, so I'm doing it every day. Every other day. 3 times or 4 times a week.
Because you won't be more consistent.
Alright, good looking. It's my mom. Look, mom, blue heart. Yo! Hold up. I'm leaving all this in the video too. I don't care. Yo, she don't wanna answer the phone. Hey mom, are you busy?
A little bit, what's up?
Alright. A little question. Alright, I'm doing YouTube full time. I want your reaction. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's it?
What else do you want me to say?
I don't know.
Should I say more than that? You say yes or no? That's your question went that way.
Alright, that was it.
Alright, I'll play back.
Oh. I guess she said yes. My sister again, we about to franchise and fitness business, but yeah, she said yes. My mom said yes. My sister said yes, and Emily said yes. So we in that joint for good. But man, this video really over for real. For real. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, tell a friend, and tell another friend to share the video. You mean going up from here, man? We going up from here, man. Hey, but no bullshit, man. Video coming 3 to 4 times a week. I'm about to drop like 3 of them already. Recorded already, so let's get it. You mean going up from here? It's just mirror, and I need hold up. On a real serious note, type John, I need a logo made for It's Just Mirror. I need a logo made for my clothing brand, Hustle Over Hatred. I need DM me. I need some thumbnails created because my thumbnails is whack, shitty, bop. Take a sneeze. I'm doing ass. But, worship. But, like, comment, subscribe, man. Share the video. Tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, and tell your friends. Nigga. Oh, no, nigga. No.